Didn't see it, I never knew. Turn to the stars for clues. I called the moon. Then in my wildest dreams, there was a wave, growing bigger.
We're going to a barbecue tonight, so me and Wooly have donated 8 crays to the cause. That was half the reason to go out this morning. Wasn't too many around though, even though we pretty much bagged out. It was still hard work. A lot of swimming, and you find them here and there.
Condom on? Yeah. This thing saves my head, hey. I always keep my head on the caves and shit. Used to come up with bits of coral stuck in me. Oh. Yeah, I was digging coral out last week actually.
This thing here, that bite there, there, was like a fucking worm there. Oh, it was like this caterpillar, underwater caterpillar thing. I had my wetsuit was like, I'd pulled it up like that. I'd scratched myself on the reef and that. And I was like, and then my wetsuit had like flicked back like that. Jeez, like, fuck, something sting on my fucking arm. I was like, and then I could feel like a lump. This is underwater. So I peeled my thing back underwater. I was like, whoa, there's like this green, crazy looking caterpillar with this fucking mouth on it. And it was just like a leech, man. It was like gnawing into my skin. Jesus. And I had to like go, peel it off. What? It was freaky.
Try not to let any out of my bag today.
Okay.
Do the bottom up.
Well, it happened last time.
Oh. Straight out the top last time. He's in.
Lovely, clear.
That one? It's clear. You good?
Have you got any earmuffs?
Yeah, in the glove box there, run. You can pull them in.
Yeah, it was a pretty good morning. We end up getting our quota between the three of us. So yeah, just boiling some water and going to chuck 4 just in boiled water and do it that way. And the other 4 I'm going to do just popcorn crayfish, which is pretty good, I reckon. There's my timer. The other 4, just got them in here. I've just peeled green. Just do it pretty simple. Flour, egg, export, and panko. Pretty simple. Yeah, so for 4 crays, you just do 2 eggs and probably half a can of beer. You can obviously drink the other half, which I'm going to do. Make sure you get flour everywhere. Test. Plate was a pretty stupid idea. Yeah, and you just obviously wait till they're sort of golden brownie sort of thing. Give a test one, take one out, give it a test, and yeah, they're pretty much good to go. That one's done. Done.
I didn't see it. I never knew. Turn to the stars for clues. I called the moon. Then in my wildest dreams, there was a wave, growing bigger. Now I call you for something. You got all the power of the world in you. You're the antidote lies. In the dark and light, if I in you, you're the fire of my heart. The fire of my heart.
Oh, that's another beer.
I can see it. Keep winding, buddy.
Well, keep your rod low.
Keep your rod low, buddy.
Sorry.
That's it. You're onto it.
Go, 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 go. Keep going.
That's it. Slow down, slow down. Slow, stop. Driving into here. That's it.
Hey! Woohoo!
I get the first fish.
Nice one.
Dad only owed you 2 now. Since I caught one,
Oh, is that?
yeah,
Does that?
it takes 3 actually.
Does that take one back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
3.
Ah.
You catch one, you take one back. Okay.
2 beers. Okay.
So you gotta catch 2 more fish to
Make it even.
make it. No, let's not catch 2 more fish. We'll make it so Dad has to buy them a beer.
Oh, there's a herring jumping just in front of us before.
And I'm on.
Are you on?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you're on again. I'll line yours in a little bit there, Tilda.
Keep it low. As well. There you go.
You're on?
Yep.
Keep whining then. Is you on? Oh, you are too.
Or is that Connor?
No,
No,
no.
that's Connor.
That's Connor. Oh.
That's not me,
You
that's
go
Connor.
that way?
Stop, stop. Now, steer him around. Blind a little bit more.
Pull your rod forward a little bit. Yeah, nice one.
So you
Is that a little Tailor? It is.
It is.
Little baby Tailor. We'll chuck that back. Alright, just give you guys a slow wind in there, Tilda. Yeah, that's it. Still got him?
You know, here he is.
Keep coming, keep winding. That's it. A little bit more. There you go.
Hey!
Where is
Oh.
it?
I remember you let your bail off a little bit.
Bail off.
Alright, we'll keep going. That's the go.
I'm guessing it's another herring.
It's
is.
another herring. Yep. That's it. Nice and slow. You're on again, Connor.
3.
Remember, if you drop it at the boat, Dad owes us a beer. You're doing it for Dad.
Stop. And we'll steer it into the net.
Cool. Yeah, you got it.
Net as well, but
That's alright. Now let your bail off, remember? Chuck
Gonna hold it?
Spin around.
How do I
Yeah,
hold
hang
it?
on to it tight, where its gills are.
Hi, buddy.
You gotta hold up for the camera.
hold it up.
Nice one.
Got it.
Yeah, okay. You're on.
On.
Nice.
Wind build in slowly.
Nice. Keep the rod down, you're onto it. Oh, yeah.
Biting. I can see it.
Oh,
Nice one. Now, look in.
oh.
Remember, stop. Oh, hang on. Leave it in the water. Now bring it back. Drive it in. Cut. Reach. There we go, we're in.
Nice one.
Remember?
Nice.
Good one.
Yay! I caught a fishy.
Nice one.
Fishy.
Are we gonna eat it?
Maybe, but not right now.
Okay. Chuck her in the live bait tank. Nice. Good stuff. Woo!
We did it. I caught my
You leave me hanging, mate.
Oh, I didn't know you.
Oh. With all fish.
fish
We
on
got
my
fish
hands.
hands everywhere. We have made it to honey hole number 2. Who's going to catch the first fish?
Me, probably me. I've had the most
Oh,
fish this trip.
Me, probably me.
Bang, bang.
Very bit of confidence going on here. There it
There
is.
it is.
Up there.
Remember, steer. Steer it in.
Oh, oh, yeah! Oh, nice.
Way out there. Came from behind.
Whoa! Keep one, Connor.
Yay!
Woo! High five.
6. Got
Oh.
another one.
Yeah. Woo! Teamwork makes the dream work. Connor's on.
Need to wind, remember? Slowly, don't wind it in quick. Slowly.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a heap of them after it.
No.
Well, then bring them over here. He's pulling.
Keep winding.
Lift her up.
Lift it up.
Yeah, that's the go. Lift her up again. Oh, it's Tailor. Beaking back. Yee, yee. Woo. There you go, there's a dolphin.
He's right there.
Alright, let's do it. We'll get the fish before he does.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on.
Almost instantly.
There'll be more than hits on there.
There's one. It's too strong.
Keep.
No. Look at that Ben. Connor, he's still on. Go. Oh no.
He's got a,
He's
got a
like,
Tailor.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey. Why aren't you catching the big ones, Connor?
I was catching them earlier, now I can't.
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know.
You're really failing us. We need dinner. Oh,
Here it is.
Tailor.
And when
Can you catch edible fish there, Connor?
I don't know.
Still got it?
I think so.
Cool.
Once it's herring, it was a decent size, I think.
Come around this way.
This way, sir.
Oh,
This way.
oh, oh.
No.
Yeah! Let the bail off. Nice. Herring.
Another
We can
one.
eat that
You
one.
can eat that one.
Good one.
Close your bail. Got it? Always hold
Nice one.
it out in front of you like that so it looks bigger.
Yeah. That's the go. Yoo-hoo.
There we go.
Back in the tank.
Nope.
Nice.
Beautiful.
You got it?
Yeah.
You right there, good, or you okay there?
He's going on. He's trying to get underneath the boat.
Alright, wind her up this way. Keep winding. And lift the rod.
I'm trying to steer him in.
Oh, oh no. Oh,
There you go.
oh.
There you go.
Oh no, it's wrong. The net's not clipped in. Oh, it's off. The hook's off. Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, no herring. That's usually me honey hole, that spot.
Yeah, I know. That's right on the tip there.
Yep. Oh well,
Come on, Finn.
that's it. It's a draw. Cheers. You want to go?
Or I watch you and then maybe if I know how to figure out how to do it, then I'll try.
Should we lay them all out?
Yeah.
Lay out the catch.
Let's see what we caught.